In this video, we're going to talk about how you can find your Bank of America credit score. So if you want to see your credit score, this is actually called FICO score. All you have to do is click on this link. I will leave it as a pinned comment. And how this works, basically, you will need to enroll in this program if you don't, or if you haven't already enrolled in it. So it's going to do this, so you will get your FICO score monthly without negatively impacting your credit score. You will see key factors that are impacting your score. You will be able to track your recent scores month to month and compare them to national averages, and learn about credit and strategies for keeping credit healthy with better money habits. So this is what it's going to look like. So we think it's important to have access to tools that help you understand your credit. That's why we are providing a monthly FICO score from TransUnion for free, and eligible customers with a consumer credit card. This is what the FICO score is going to look like. You can find it on the mobile banking app as well as your online website, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.